honestly, I don't really like it. I don't. Let's just get into it.
Hey loves, it's your girl Rachel Adina. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Because in this video, we'll determine whether Olaplex should have stopped at number 7. Should they? I don't know, sis. Let's see.
Hey loves, it's your girl Rachel here. So ladies, I got something all new planned for you. So you know your girl loves Olaplex, right? Guess what I got my hands on today? I got Olaplex number 8, the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So Olaplex does the bonding. I think they do a pretty good job with the protein, but moisture is an entirely new league for this company in my opinion. So I can name you maybe 10 amazing moisturizing deep conditioner off the dome. However, I can only name a few bond builders. So Olaplex jumping into the moisture game, I'm kind of like, oh, the competition is on. So let's get right into it. I'm giving you dark tones, I'm giving you flowers and florals. So I'm super excited to get this started. So just a little update on my hair. I feel like it's been doing really, really well. My hair feels super strong. Every time I think that my hair is still breaking from heat damage, I blow it out and I flat iron it, and I'm able to get a really good look at what my hair is doing. And honey, it is so strong right now. It feels like a cloud. Oh, man, when I tell you the character, it's the character for me. It's the completion of who I am as a person for me. Very interesting bottle, right? I mean, okay. So what I do, I just break this off, pull it out. Oh, it's like a little pump thing. Okay, so what I like to do with my hair is I like to add like a general amount of product on my whole head and then go in sections and just put some product where I missed it. So, ooh, honey. So speaking of Olaplex and myself, you guys, guess who's an Olaplex affiliate now? Yeah. I am. Okay, so if you want to buy Olaplex products, use my link. Okay. I'm so happy that they added me to the program because you guys know I've been loving and enjoying Olaplex far before they contacted me. So I'm excited that it's a company that I actually really love. So use my link if you would like to buy some Olaplex products where you can get free shipping on all orders. So first things first, this is thick. This is pretty thick. Very thick. I was hoping for a little bit more slip, and I guess I was hoping for it to be a little bit more water-based. This is what I'm getting. It doesn't really, showing the nails a little bit. It doesn't really slide at all. I love Olaplex, but y'all killing me with this 3.3 fluid ounces. If it's this thick, I would have honestly wanted for you to just dilute it just a little bit so I can get maybe like 6 ounces out of it. 8 ounces would have been fantastic, like the shampoo and the conditioner. But if you're killing it out here, then I'll go easy on you. But if it's okay, I'll let y'all know. Because at the end of the day, you know that the 0 and the 3 is what I think is the best products from Olaplex, period. So that side is done. Now we're gonna start with this side. It's very interesting. It's super thick, almost like a bit of a cream cheese, like a cream cheese icing consistency. And those of you who likes to eat and likes food and snacks and desserts and sweets like me, you know exactly what consistency I'm talking about. It rubs down really well They say mask, and so you shouldn't really expect extreme detangling properties from a mask because it's something that's supposed to be thick. FYI. So I'm gonna use another pump. I'm gonna hit up the ends, the top, and then I'm gonna put this in a ponytail. I mean, obviously, you can see like that there is no limp, lifeless, heat damaged hair. That is amazing. I don't know, like obviously I still have heat damage, but the fact that everything has drawn up so much from doing these bond builders, I'm just super duper happy. So let's get real about the real condition of my hair and what I've been noticing. So breakage has been to a minimum. Like I don't get little pieces in the shower as much anymore. Another amazing thing is that my hair has been really soft, like extremely manageable. I'm glad that I'm using this moisturizer because it does say that it adds some shine and it does smooth the hair, because I think I could use a little bit more of that. But as far as strength and manageability, my breath is completely taken away. Another thing I will say is that before I started using Olaplex, one thing that I did realize that was a real issue with my hair is that it started breaking around the perimeter. So like right in the front around the edges and then around the nape of my neck. If I pull down pieces, you'll see that there's no heat damage on it anymore because that hair has broken. I believe it happened because the heat damage in those areas were the most severe. So for any of you who believe that Olaplex can repair severely heat damaged hair, I wouldn't go as far as to say something like that. Another thing that I noticed is that having so much tension from buns that I was doing, I mean, considering that I couldn't do much of anything because my hair was heat damaged, I did a lot of buns. And doing those buns as my hair grew out and the ponytail holder was resting on the demarcation line, that was when I also noticed a lot of breakage. So I had to stop the buns. So that's why, honey, that's why I was so stuck. That's why I was so freaking stuck. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about maybe about like 20 minutes or so. I wanna continue to put it in. I just want it to look really good. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for about 20 minutes. Gonna use my Publix bag. And you guys know, this shower cap will be in the description box because every time I have the shower cap, y'all going off in the comments, where you get that shower cap from? It's fire. I love the shower cap. It's my baby. So I'm gonna leave this on for maybe about 20 minutes. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like after the Olaplex has penetrated my hair a little bit more, what the curls look like, how it feels, if it's feeling more manageable, softer, shinier, smoother. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and show you guys how it looks with my hair just naked and fully rinsed. So stay tuned for that. So I'm all done. I'm all done with my hair. It's feeling, wait, hold up. What in the world? Girl. Okay, so I'm all done and honestly, I don't really like it. I don't. Let's just get into it.
Well, you know, I had to get on the voiceover with the facts and the receipts. So this is what my hair looks like back in March when I used all of the Olaplex products. I used the 0, the 3, the 4, and the 5. And my hair looks great. It looks hydrated. It doesn't look startled like it does when you fast forward and see how I use the 8. So I could not quite put my finger on what it was that made my hair get so frizzy, look so awful, like a hot shiitake mushroom. So I had to go on the website using my link in my description box of my video, and I looked at all of the products. The website is super fun. They give you a quiz, they show you how to use each product, and they give you a description of what they are for. So that's wonderful. So I took a look at all of the products, and something was similar about a lot of them. So the truth is, my hair has been looking quite interesting for maybe the past 2 washes, and I could not quite put my finger on the reason why. So while looking through all of the products, I relished in the fact that I loved so many of them, but there was one ingredient that had me puzzled and wondering, is this what's getting on my hair's last nerves? So I did a little bit of research and I saw this website from Curlcentric, and it was talking about silicones, and in fact, are they bad for natural hair? So the quick answer to that is absolutely not. However, where silicones are placed in your natural hair regimen can be either to your benefit or your detriment. And I felt like using the bond builders as much as I did kind of dried my hair out a little bit, while adding the silicones that were already in the products just made my hair look at the products like, oh no, baby, not you again with the silicones, not you again with the bond builder ingredients. Let's get real about all these silicones. So this website shows you how to identify silicones in your ingredients on your natural hair products. There's a lot of different ones out there. Some of them evaporate once your hair dries. Some of them sit on your hair and they cause a little bit of buildup. And some are even strong enough to need a clarifying shampoo consistently in order to get it off of your hair. Thankfully, I personally did not find any ingredients in the Olaplex products that have the silicones that are very difficult to remove from the hair. However, what I noticed about the number 8 is that it also is infused with the Olaplex patented bond builder ingredient. And I'm wondering if my hair is just tired of the bond building. Is there a such thing as doing the bond builder too much? I believe so. So is Olaplex bad? Should you not use it? I highly believe that you should use at least a 0 and the 3 on your rainiest natural hair days. But for consistent use, definitely use this product like it is professional grade, which it really is. Now I see why they have a 1 and a 2 that is only for salon use. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was beneficial for you. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think Olaplex should have stopped at number 7? Do you believe that there's too much bond building going on this hair? Or do you think that the silicones are to blame? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, ladies, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye. I just want to see how you like my content. It'll sure make me happy if you would like it. But if you like it, please subscribe to it. Hit the bell so that you'll never miss this. Oh, you're the best part.